Hey guys, I'm Jeremy and welcome to the Glow Garage. Today we'll be showing you how to use the GLOSIL dashboard and tire polish. When it comes to making your car stand out, tire dressing is really important, and what this polish does is also it increases the lifetime duration of your car tires, making it look that much better and last for a lifetime. What the polish also does is it helps reduce the dust clinging onto the tires, which makes it a little bit more easier when it comes to washing your tires the second or the third time. We'll show you how it's done. We have one of our technicians who will professionally show you how to apply the polish to your tire. So that's how it's done, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also do subscribe and follow us on social media.